Friends at the Higgins Firm recently settled a nursing home case where their client received a bad injury due to being left unattended. Attorney Jim Higgins recently stopped by to talk about what happened and when somebody should contact their office about a nursing home injury. Take a look. All right, we've got Jim back with us today. Jim, always good to have you.
Thank you.
All right, we're talking today about a case that your firm recently settled. This was a nursing home negligence case. What happened in this case? It was really sad.
Yeah, this was a client we have, just a great lady, and she had to go to a nursing home for rehab because of an injury. And while she was in there, she couldn't get up by herself. She had to have an assist, what we call a two-person assist in a nursing home. She asked for help. She called a tech to come in and help her to the restroom. The tech took her in there and then just left and forgot about her. She tried to call, no one heard her. She turned on the light and no one came to her. So eventually she tried to get up. She couldn't, she fell. She had another pretty severe fracture, and it turned what should have been a short stay into a really long, tough stay for her and another surgery.
Goodness. So when is a nursing home responsible for an injury from a fall like that?
Yeah,
Were they responsible?
Yes, they were in this case, and we were able to resolve it. You know, there were a couple of interesting things that came out of this case. At first, it looked like it was just a C&T that just forgot, right? But as we got into the case and started talking to other people that worked there and reviewing the records, what we found out is the C&T just did not have enough, and that's a nurse tech, he didn't have enough help there. So
understaffed.
They were understaffed, which we see so often as the root of problems in these nursing home neglect cases that we handle. So he was a runaround trying to take care of everybody and just lost track. We felt that if he had some more people there, that this would have never happened, and this lady would have gotten the care that she should have. So we've always found that the why is really important in nursing home neglect cases. Why did it happen? Because that's going to help us correct this in the future, and hopefully they'll staff this home better. You know, people fall, and so not every fall in a nursing home case is a result of negligence, but this clearly was, you know, and you really just have to look at it a case-by-case basis. You look at the records. Was there a good plan in place? Did they follow that plan? It is a case-by-case basis in these nursing homes.
Absolutely. Now, when should someone suspect nursing home negligence? And when should they contact your office if they think that might be happening?
Right. I think there's always a worry about it because it happens so often. But it's not always that case. I always suggest just call us. We don't mind talking to anyone. We have we have several lawyers, we got several staff, and we all work on these nursing home cases. So we can usually spot it pretty quick. And if we feel that they need us, then we'll jump in. Sometimes we can point them to a different direction, like a state agency or something. But we don't mind talking to people. They should call early. When they suspect it, call us.
Absolutely. All right, Jim, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you.
The Higgins Firm is serving Tennessee. Give them a call at 615-924-8500 or go to higginsfirm.com.